Now let's see ahead. I would like to explain here one case which has been noted recently in Amrita Hospital. This is related to fetus related issue. When fetus is in the womb, so how one can take care, and how the technology also helps. So sometimes we need to feel very happy and lucky that we are in this era where the prompt technology will help you and facilitate you to get rid of that problem. So this case was from Amrita Hospital, who have saves life of woman and child. So this is related to intrauterine fetal procedure. So this procedure is a major milestone in the treatment of congenital problems before birth. Now this is congenital means what? That baby, when it is in the womb, it is due to the hereditary issue. That baby develops some tumor inside baby's body. Okay. This tumor was in the baby's body. Doctors at our super specialty teaching hospital at Kochi have achieved a significant breakthrough by successfully operating pregnant women's fetus and saving the unborn child. This is the 21-week pregnant woman's fetus had a giant tumor in the right lung. Just imagine, baby is developing and baby's lungs which are not yet developed, and it has in fact this tumor which is actually abnormal growth of the tissues, right? And that is in the lungs. So that was pressing on its heart, because heart and lungs stay nearby. So it is also pressing heart of the baby, and other left lung was normal, but the right lung has that tumor. Now due to this tumor, the fetus had developed heart failure, and if not treated on time, it would have caused death. The mother would have faced the face health hazard known as mirror syndrome. Means this tumor is very necessary to remove when it is in the intrauterine life only. So surgery was must. Otherwise, it would have double problem in the mother as well as baby. If not treated, fetal problem would have put the lives of both mother and baby at risk. Doctors at Amrita Hospital, led by pediatric surgeon Dr. Mohan Abraham, fetal medicine consultant Dr. Vivek, fetal anesthetist Dr. Rekha, gynecologist Dr. Sarla, perform a rare intrauterine fetal surgery to block the blood supply to this tumor using laser therapy. So laser therapy is the things where you can reach to the subtlest part of your body. So through that they have just removed, means they just stop the blood supply towards the that particular part. So when blood supply stop, what happens? There will be no nourishment, because tissue normal ho abnormal ho, that require nutrition, nourishment, blood supply. Once you cut that connection, then that will automatically stop growing. So after the surgery, baby is doing fine. The tumor shrinking to the half of its volume in 1 week, and heart failure almost completely resolved, and pregnancy continued. So this is the case study which I like to explain you how the baby can suffer from certain kind of issue. And being a yoga teacher, we or simple just the clinician, we may not aware about it. So here we have to appreciate modern technology. Even when people fight, modern doctor, Ayurveda and homeopathy and all that, I feel pity, because what I feel, being Ayurveda doctor, still I worship some other sciences as well, because some or other, every science has their own limitation, their own, way of working and resolving issue. So whatever way will be used